Hey, this is Haley with Toriar Digital Marketing. Thank you for letting us send you this video. I'm making this quick video to give you 3 tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that you guys can start appearing at the top of more search results so you guys can get more customers. Our owner, Brianna, used to own her own roofing company out in Alaska, so we're familiar with the struggles contractors go through, and we're understanding that when you're a business owner, you don't necessarily have the time to sit down in front of the computer and make the internet work for you to bring the customers to you. We find that the biggest reason businesses don't hire a marketing company to do this for them is because you're not sure who you can trust. Knowing who's going to be an expert and who's going to be a waste of time and money, we believe in giving our value up front, and we have been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still a lot of businesses that reach back out to us and ask us for help in getting this stuff completed. We are so confident in our ability to deliver results that we're only taking on one exclusive client for any service type in the area because we don't want to compete with the results that we're bringing. So if after this video you can see we know our stuff, don't hesitate to reach back out to us and let's see if we're a good fit for working together. And let's get you the results you and your business deserve. If you just want to use this information to make changes to your site, please do. It's free education. So the 3 quick tips I have for you are content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here, and I love all the pretty pictures. And let's see, you have a number, you have click to call, perfect for mobile users. I would put a form they could fill out, maybe on the side, the contact us form or like get a free estimate form or something like that. But the appearance of the site is not for, it's for the customers. And Google has bots called crawlers. They go and scan your whole site to search for keywords to rank you for in the customer search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have 1,500 words on this homepage. And you guys definitely have some words, but definitely not 1,500 words. You also want 500 words on each back service page. So the rule of thumb is for every keyword, you want at least 500, or 100 words of content to support it. When you have your site built this way, it shows Google that you're an expert in the industry, and Google will be putting your website at the top of more search results. I have an example here of Birmingham roofers, and this comes up with a Google My Business, or GMB, which is a geographically based search results. And so if you have a different service area, like if you're in Birmingham, but you're also in Tuscaloosa or, you know, a closer by area, you want to get your listing on each of those service areas. So what you want to do is get your contact information, photos, and website listed. And once you do that, you want to put your contact information into citations. Citations are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB. There's thousands of them, but the goal is to have your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3, which is where you know the customers are going to click most often to call because they really don't want to have to scroll down. So take a look at Hinkle Roofing. Looks like they are dominating the map pack and the organic search results. The top 3 are rotated by Google, and they are in the top 3. So sometimes they'll sit at number 1, and sometimes 2, and right now they're sitting at number 3. So we'll take a look at Hinkle. I have them pulled up right here. So they have some pictures, just like you guys on the back. They have a click to call as well, and then they have this request free estimate contact form. So that's a good idea. For the other side of things, we look at the back end and we use this paid tool called Ahrefs. It shows us what's happening backstage in your website. So your homepage has a ranking of 10, and your whole domain, your whole website has a ranking of 7. These are out of the 0 to 100 based on your ranking against every other website on the internet. So the ranking is actually made by the backlinks. Backlinks are other sites online linking to your site and pushing traffic to you. So because Google uses these for rankings, they are not created equal. So before you link to a site or before you have a site linked to you, make sure it is a high quality backlink related to the roofing industry. Right now you have 90 coming from 5 different sites, no keywords on that homepage. Actually, this goes to your whole website. No keywords, Google's not ranking you for anything, and nobody's finding you based on this homepage that we have. Um, so let's go to Hinkle Roofing and see what's going on behind the scenes there. They are ranking 24 for their homepage out of 100 and 5 for their whole website, which is easy to beat. They have 1,500 backlinks coming from 274 sites, which is pushing um, their keywords to be found by about 2,000 people a month. And even if only half or a third of those people um, fill out a form or need some roof repair, that's a lot of people that they could contact in just 1 month. So we know people are searching in the Birmingham area, and we want to make sure they are searching for you. So let's recap. You want at least 1,500 words on this homepage. You want 500 words on each back service page. Rule of thumb, each keyword gets 100 words of content to support it. Get your contact information on this Google My Business listing. That means you want your information on 100 more directories than your competitors. And go get high quality, high ranking backlinks relevant to the roofing industry. You do this, and you guys will be ranking top 3 on Google. So I know this was a lot of information, but you're going to love the results if you apply it. My team is just looking for the feedback. We want to know we've delivered good value in this video. If you did want help getting this done and you're interested in being our exclusive client for the Birmingham area, give us a call. We can have a chat. Let's make sure we're a good fit, and we will get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or employees if you guys need to grow your crew. We will follow up the next few days to get feedback on our video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it and letting us send it to you. We hope you got some good value out of it. All right, take care. Have a good day.